Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovating with bananas? Renee Heath and her co-founder came up with the idea for a kitchen gadget called Banana Loca and 3D printed one to take to an open casting call for Shark Tank a couple of years ago. Fast forward to this year and they earned a deal with Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary. As for Banana Loca, it's a clever way to core and fill bananas while still in the peel. Kids will love them, or make other culinary treats as well.
Zucchinis, you could use it with cucumbers and fill them with cottage cheese. I use it to help make jalapeno poppers or stuffed churros full of Nutella.
The price? About $29. Find more, including more recipes, at Banana Loca, that's LOCA.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.